one of the things that I really value about Mr. Hernandez was his vision for creating instructional materials that really met the needs of bilingual students, specifically as it relates to visual literacy and ensuring that technology was integrated into their learning. Also, I will tell you that he was directly responsible for moving 34% expectation of our students passing in the previous year all the way up to 90% of our students meeting standard in a single year. I can't say enough about what Mr. Hernandez had done for the students of our campus and moving us forward, but also the development of other teachers and being innovative in our practices and moving instruction forward.
This workshop is not like any workshop you've ever been to. Utilizing technology, utilizing metacognition, utilizing the latest in neuroscience. So he's on the top of his game. And best of all, he's been in the trenches. He is like us. He's been a real bilingual teacher.
At first, the teachers were, as teachers often are, about in-service, skeptical, someone new. But it was clear within just a few moments that he had them. They were laughing, they were engaged, they were focused on his presentation because he made so much of the content real and applicable to their classrooms.
Each time that he comes, students always comment about how enthusiastic and how motivational he is, especially toward science and visual literacy, that they always leave class saying, you know what, Dr. Robles, I have a new perspective on science. He made me look at it differently, and now instead of dreading it, I'm actually excited about teaching science. And I think that his perspectives and his insights and his motivation and enthusiasm are all characteristics that our pre-service teachers need so that when they're in the classroom, they can have those same attributes to motivate our students to be excited about science.
I thought it was very helpful because I know as future teachers we need to incorporate technology into our curriculum, and it's becoming more and more evident that we need to teach our children how to use the technology. And I thought it was really helpful and very eye-opening on all the possibilities that there are, especially that movie filming app, or the program you show is very cool, and I plan to look forward to that and using that in my classroom.
It was just one of the most fantastic workshops that I had gone to because he made everything so simple for me to understand, and I think that was very difficult because I don't really consider myself a tech person, but he made everything seem so simple. If I could do what he does with his materials in the classroom, my kids would really enjoy that type of experience. So I thank Mr. Hernandez for his classroom presentation yesterday and putting it with myself.